So I'm gonna generate another image. Not really generating another image. We're gonna see um image generation in AI. This is more like a pattern kind of a style transfer. It's more like transferring a content to look like a different a different thing altogether, like incorporating a certain pattern or design into a content. All right. So this is like you're gonna have like two images, right? The first one is a content image, more like let me see, give you a clearer picture. So these are basically some existing repositories already. So I'm just gonna run the code to see, get an idea of what it gives. All right, so I'm just gonna scroll down, we'll come here and run in Google Colab. All right, so here, so it says this tutorial uses deep learning to compose one image in the style of another image. So that's just what I was trying to say. So we have um this Labrador on yellow Labrador. So and this is more like a pattern. So this is the style. So we have this as a content. This is the content. All right. So we're trying to get this pattern on this content. All right. So we're more like transferring this to this. I think that's like the concept here. So this is more like a pattern. So it's more like we're splashing this pattern on this dog. All right. So I'm just gonna run a set of codes and then we see what it gives. So I'm just gonna run all codes here. Oh, I've got to connect first. All right. Okay. Yeah, we're connected now. All right. Perfect. So just run all the codes and see what that gives. Restart session. Hang on a second. Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. I have this already here. So yeah, I did this before. Okay, let me just go back here and restart. So I'm gonna restart. Yeah, let's just say yes to that. So we're just gonna restart and run everything. I'm gonna restart and run everything. Let's just see what it gives. So this is the content, and this is the desire. This is the state, the current state. This is the current state, like when we're doing deployments. I remember that. So this is the current state, and this is the desired state. We're looking for this. This is the current state. This is the pattern. All right, this is the pattern that we're looking to put on this content right now, and this is the desired state we want this to be. All right, so we're looking that after running this code that we get exactly a semblance of this. All right, so let's see exactly. So we have it here. So this is the content image. This is the style image. So we have our desired result. Look at it here. This is our desired state. This is the content image. This is the style image. This is what our content is. This yellow Labrador, and this is the style image, right? And so when you're done running the codes, you should be able to get this. This is the desired state we're looking for, which we already have. See that? Got all of that. So we see how the code's running. Yeah, see how them running. So you're not done. I have them running. So we are basically getting the same. Get this one. Let's check if it's the same as the other ones. Let's see. Where are the images? Where are they? All right, so I have this. All right, number one, number two. So basically, they're not all the same. Like they're giving different patterns. All right. So if you look at this one, this is like a more like it's more like a darker shade. I think this is like a darker shade of those pattern. I think this is like a darker shade of this pattern, right? And look at this. This and that. This is like lighter shade of it. I think they're not all the same. So it's basically running what has been defined in the codes, right? These are the things that's been defined in the codes. Now look, there here is like way lighter here. Just way lighter. Look at this one. So they're not the images are not all the same depending on what has been defined in the code. So basically that's it. I think we are done. We've run all the codes and then see the desired images here. Amazing stuff. 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 All right, that's it. Amazing stuff. So basically, these are some of the things that we see, you know, people who create content on TikTok, you know, they are basically people who collect money for this. But like, amazing, amazing stuff, amazing stuff. Wow, amazing stuff. This would this would definitely help me in my content creation. Honestly, this is amazing stuff. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.